Meet the unseen culprits in your...
Alright, tonight the other boxes today. We're gonna get the different
Some nights I call it a draw.
Here we go.
Some nights I
David Cobb just called a Grant today, and he said, seriously, and we got Valentine's Day song on the radio today, and we heard some good songs to them. I think they should get a shot right away. Start, their box starts now. Let me make a break. Let me see in the video. Alright, here we go. Alright, ready? Achoo! Ready? Achoo! That's the guy I do in gym every day. And we play full stuff like him, like fingers over here, something like here. The thing about it is super weird because I want sky pizza and I pizza. Yeah, my stuff. Alright, I'm gonna have to share it. And
I found a martyr in my bed tonight. Stops my bones from wandering. Why?
kind of the gagging. I'm sick with Olympics. I was sick. And I got references this Friday. So that rally. If it was the worst day of my life, that rally. That Friday, I was making River Dragons though. I thought River Dragons would hate me. Now I'm getting I'm not getting paid 16. Only got paid for 6 months. So 12, I think 72. That's good. $8. That's good. Jennifer based off Auburn. Why wear an Auburn shirt? I love War Eagle. Go Dogs. Go Gators. Go Tigers. I like the song about the years. And my other team is, that's Grant's favorite, Jacksonville Jaguars. And I have something that's coming with Jacksonville Jaguars. I have something for Hannah and Grant for Friday. I'm getting some Auburn fans for Hannah and Grant. Well, they're getting a surprise. But that's good. I'm getting a nice big time, one more time, and then do the next little box here. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Achoo! But I can't do this in school because she. Alright, go to the next one. I'm gonna give you the shot right after, and I'll make for a Jackson team. My phone's here. My phone's here somewhere. I got fun still going. My next playing the money song still. I've never said anything. If I just want to work, I would already need diagrams. Back and then.
I came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor cause that's my plans, 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 plans. I'm wearing all my favorite brands, 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 brands. Give me some space for both my hands, 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 hands. You, cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Yeah, I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying ayo, gotta let go. I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying ayo, baby let's go. Cause we gon' rock this club, we gon' go all night. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. Cause I told you once, now I told you twice. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. I came to move, 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 move. Get out the way of me and my crew, 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 crew. I'm in the club, so I'm gonna do. Just what the phone came here to do. Yeah, cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Yeah, I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying ayo, gotta let go. I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying ayo, baby let's go. Cause we gon' rock this club, we gon' go all night. We gon' light it up like